There's a $16 piece of glass that takes raw sunlight from outside your home and delivers it as a bright ceiling light into any dark basement or windowless room below. No wiring, no electrician, no monthly power bill ever. The physics behind it has been understood since the 1600s, and the reason every home built after 1960 uses electric lights in the basement instead of this piece of glass is the same reason your electricity bill has never stopped going up. I'm Geek, and this is the $16 fix that turns sunlight into a ceiling light, with nothing but glass and physics in between. Let me start with something simple. You have probably seen what happens when sunlight passes through a glass prism. It splits into a rainbow. That is called refraction, light bending as it passes through glass. But here's the part most people never learned in school. When light travels through glass at a steep angle, steep enough, it does not pass through the other side. It bounces back. It reflects off the inside surface of the glass like a mirror. Scientists call this total internal reflection, and a precision optical prism is designed to use that exact effect on purpose. You mount the prism into a small hole cut through your floor upstairs. Sunlight from the room above, or from a small skylight in the ceiling below, enters the top of the prism. The prism's angled faces catch that light. They reflect it downward using total internal reflection. The light exits through the bottom of the prism, pointing straight down into your basement below. No electricity, no wires, just glass doing exactly what glass has always done, bending and bouncing light to exactly where you need it. This is not new. In 1882, before electric light was common, a man named James Luxfer patented a system of glass prism tiles designed to be set into the floors and sidewalks of buildings above basement workshops. His goal was simple. Workers in basements and underground rooms needed light to do their jobs. Electric light was expensive and unreliable. Candles and gas lamps were dangerous. His prism tiles redirected sunlight from the street straight down through the pavement into the rooms below. By 1900, Luxfer Prism Company tiles were installed in over 3,000 buildings across the United States and Europe. You can still find them today, set into the pavement outside old buildings in Chicago, New York, and London. They worked perfectly for decades. Then, electric lighting became cheap and easy. Builders stopped thinking about sunlight as a lighting source. The prism tile disappeared from every building guide written after 1920, not because it stopped working, because it stopped being sold. Today, a precision optical prism that does the same thing costs $16, fits in the palm of your hand, and installs in a single afternoon. Here's how total internal reflection works, in plain English. When sunlight enters the top face of the prism, it hits the angled inner wall at a sharp angle, sharp enough that the light cannot escape through the glass. It bounces off the inside surface the same way a ball bounces off a wall. That bounce is called a reflection. The angle going in equals the angle coming out. The prism is cut so that after one or two of these bounces, the light is now pointing straight downward. It exits through the bottom of the prism as a clean, directed beam of light, pointing right where you need it. The amount of light that makes it through depends on the size of the prism and the angle of the sun. On a bright day, a single 4-inch optical prism delivers roughly the same light output as a 60-watt incandescent bulb, without using a single watt of electricity. For a basement workshop, a reading area, a storage room, or a laundry room, that's more than enough light to work comfortably between sunrise and sunset every single day, for free. Here's what the actual install looks like, and I want you to see how simple this is. You need 4 things. 1. a precision optical prism, 4-inch size, glass construction. You'll find these online for between $14 and $18. Search for Optical Glass Prism 90-degree or Luxfer Style Prism Tile. 2. A hole saw that matches your prism size. For a 4-inch prism, a 4-inch hole saw. These cost about $12 at any hardware store. 3. A tube of clear silicone sealant, about $4. 4. A flat piece of thin plywood or trim to frame the prism neatly into the floor. Optional, but makes it look clean and finished. Here's the install step by step. First, find your location. You want to install directly above the darkest area of your basement. In the room above, check for floor joists with a stud finder. You need to install between joists, not through one. Second, mark your circle. Trace around the hole saw guide on the floor above. Keep it away from joists by at least 2 inches on each side. Third, drill the hole. A 4-inch hole saw on a standard drill. Takes about 4 minutes. Go slowly, let the saw do the work. Fourth, clean the edges. Sand any rough wood around the hole. The prism needs to sit flush and flat. Fifth, apply silicone around the hole edge. Lower the prism into the hole. Press firmly. The silicone seals the gap. Wipe away any excess. Sixth, from the basement below, look up. You'll see light coming through the prism from the room above. If you want more light, add a small mirror or reflective panel in the room above to direct more sunlight towards the prism opening. A $12 mirror tile from any home goods store angled towards the prism can increase the light output by 40%. That's the entire system. A $16 prism, $12 hole saw you probably already own, $4 of silicone. 1 afternoon, 0 monthly cost for the life of the house. One honest conversation before we finish. This system works best when there's a room with good natural light directly above the dark space you want to light. If your basement ceiling is covered by a closet or a bathroom with no windows, you'll need to route light from a nearby room using a small mirror mounted on a bracket. This takes an extra 30 minutes and costs $12 more. This system also works best in daytime. At night, no sunlight means no light through the prism. It's not a replacement for your electrical fixtures. It's a supplement, a free daytime light source that costs nothing to run once installed. On cloudy days, it'll be dimmer. On bright sunny days, it will surprise you. It will not light a 2,000 square foot finished basement, but for a workshop corner, a reading chair, a storage room, or a laundry room, it'll handle everything you need between sunrise and sunset, every single day, for free. $16. 1 afternoon, free light in your basement every single day the sun is up. That's the entire system. The Luxfer Prism Company installed this in 3,000 buildings over 100 years ago. The physics hasn't changed, the glass hasn't changed, the sun hasn't changed. The only thing that changed was who was selling you the alternative. If you want to go further, combine this prism system with the $300 buried pipe that pre-cools your basement air to 55 degrees Fahrenheit all summer, and you have a basement that's lit for free and cooled for free every single day. That buried pipe video is already on this channel. Link is right here. I'm Geek. Build it, test it. Stop paying for what sunlight already gives you for free.